Hey guys, Cody, Riley's Restoration. So, up here on an inspection, just kind of want to let you guys know why it's important to get a professional to do your repairs and to assess your damage. So, upon this inspection, this is some of the stuff that I found. Take a look at this. They put these shingles in completely upside down with exposed nails, and as I go up, upside down. So look at all this damage. This is why it's crucial to get somebody who knows what they're doing to come and repair these damages. I'm gonna try to file a claim on this, but see how it goes.